Yo, how's it going? So in this video today, I'm going to teach you exactly how to make $125 today with video editing without doing any work. Now, this video isn't going to be a highly edited video. It's just going to be a PowerPoint, but by the end of this video, you're going to learn exactly how to make $100 today. So, I mean, if you really want entertainment, you can click off this video. This video is just for the video editors that are struggling to get clients right now. You know, just listen up, man. And just to show you that I'm legit, it's just a chat of mine on Discord. I say, so your budget per month is around $900, $800, $1,800 per month. $225 now and the other money later. Alright, so I'm a video editor with over 110 million views, as you can see here. With my clients, I work with Austin Springs, all these like guys with millions of subscribers. So basically, I know what I'm talking about. I think I've proved myself enough, so let's get into exactly how to get clients. So let me just make my face a bit smaller. So we got 4 main platforms that you'll get clients from, and I kind of tried to censor these 3, but I don't think I've done a good job. So we're going to teach you exactly how to get clients on Discord, because Discord is the quickest way to get clients. Alright, because on Instagram and Twitter, you just need to build it up a bit. YT jobs might take a week for you to get responses back. So Discord is your best bet if you want some money right now. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to join either one of these servers where people will post ads for jobs. Alright, now there will be other servers as well, but I have my own server, chat editor, so definitely join my server. I'll post the links in the description as well. So, you know, join the chat editor one, join the creative paradise one. It's got great jobs, and the Finzar one. Now I have made probably over thousands from these 3 servers alone, so it is like a gold mine. All right, you just need to keep digging and the money will come out. The money will come out as long as you keep digging. And if you want to find more servers, think of yourself as a fisherman. Now, what are you? You are an editor. You probably are in Discord servers that are made for editors, but most likely YouTubers won't be there. Now, will there be YouTubers in those servers? Yes, but you gotta go where YouTubers go, and you can find those kinds of Discord servers on Discord, which is like a website where people put up their Discord servers. And the website for this Discord, as I've said, try searching for keywords like YouTube or creator, something like that, and join a server with YouTubers in it. This is the first step to do. All right, so join a server with content creators in it because you're a video editor. Now, my DM strategy. Alright, so life as a man is a numbers game. Alright, so is getting video editing clients. Now, what do I mean by that? I was listening to this book by Rob Moore. It was called, the book I was listening to was called Self-Worth. You know, it helps you elevate your self-worth. Great book, check it out if you want. And he talks about a story of a guy just going to the pub or going to the club with some guy friends of his, and he would just sit there like this guy was doing. He'd just sit there, just don't really approach anyone, sit there like that. And while his friend was just going up to girls, he was like going up, talking to like 10 girls, 20 girls a night, alright? He was getting rejected left and right. But eventually, look at how happy he is. Eventually, he always went home with a girl, right? So think of it like that. You know, you're gonna get rejected 10 times, 20 times, but you get to get home with a girl. So is it worth it? A bit of rejection to make like thousands of dollars? And I think I'll take that deal. I'll take that deal. Would you take that deal? Anyway, and so what you're gonna do is you're gonna basically message clients that post job ads there. But the thing is, you probably are going to get ignored, as a lot of editors do. Now, here's my opening line. What I do is, hey brother, 1 second, let's just go back. I'm a video editor with 100 confirmed views. I send them my portfolio. Because I have a great portfolio, I do not get ignored. But in this case, I did get ignored by this creator here. So I said, hey brother, video editor with 100 million confirmed views, and I just kept messaging him. As you can see, May 20, nothing. Let me just pencil it. May 21, nothing. And then May 23, 3 days later, I pulled out the big guns, man. Alright, and my big guns were, I sent a picture of a puppy. That's like what I do, and I say, hey, if you reply to this message, I'll feed a puppy. Boom, conversation open. So now I'm in. All I have to do is not fuck it up, because I'm talking to someone who wants to pay someone, right? Pay an editor to do a good job. That's what I'm talking to. So if I don't fuck it up, I'll probably get this client. The way you don't fuck it up is you always put forward moving questions when you're chatting with the client. What a forward moving question is basically a question that's going to get you paid. So you want to push the conversation towards him sending you footage that you can edit, or like pricing, right? Let's say you spoke about pricing, just say, hey, can you send me some footage that I can edit? So anything like that, all right? You want to just talk a bit, but first establish some rapport. What that means, just find some common ground. Hey dude, I like this, I like this. Oh, we're actually kind of similar. Wow, we would be great together, right? So establish that and then move the question for him to send you some video to edit. Because if he sends you some video to edit, you're basically in, all right? You're probably like competing with like 5-10 people, which if you follow this channel, if you take my editing tips, you'll probably win, all right? So again, if you don't have a portfolio, send them a show reel. Now I do have a video that talks about how to build a nice show reel. It's my video called How to Get Clients. It's called Why You're Not Getting Clients, so check that one out. And if you made it to this far in this video, comment algo. It will help me with the algorithm. So, you know, help a brother out. Come on, 7 minutes of free fucking game. No one on YouTube is doing this. This is like the best content for editors if you want to make some money. All right, find a job post, as we said, cover that. And like, this is going to be a competition, all right? Hey, here to find an editing job. Hope you can help me out. Sorry for disturbing you. Like, this guy just apologizes for messaging you. Would you hire a guy that's like, hey, sorry, but can I please get a job? No. And then this guy, saw your post on need work, I can edit, like, he doesn't even send anything, right? Sending me a portfolio, sending me a show reel. This is like, do you honestly think that like you're not better than these people? Do you honestly think that you're not gonna stand out? You will stand out. That's my Discord message, by the way. That's my Discord. Like, it's so easy to stand out if you do what I tell you. And as I said, forward pushing questions, right? And then when you do that, you're gonna have to make a 30-second trial. Just do it, man, all right? Do it for free, it's fine. It's 30 seconds, and if you don't have any clients right now, you can edit 30 seconds for free. So do 30 seconds for free is fine. And then this is how you get paid $100 today, all right? So you're gonna ask for the payment now, all right? For the video, after you do the trial, and he's like, hey man, great job, I kind of like it. And we're like, hey, I can work for you. I'm gonna finish this video. But you're gonna say this exact line. With my first time clients, I usually ask for a payment up front. And then they're probably gonna say yes. And if they don't, because you know, you're gonna tell them, I have done free work for you, so I want something back, just something like that. Don't say I want, but you know, be more kind. And they're probably gonna be understanding. If they say no, they will always say yes to sending half up front because you've done free work, right? So enjoy your $100. That's how you do it, right? Just get paid like half of the video up front. And if you're doing a long form video, that's going to be $100. That's it, really. That's pretty much it, I think. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. I did like a longer video, a more intense educational video, but I want you to win. I want you to like achieve your goals and all that stuff. So hopefully this has been helpful. If this has been helpful, check out the links below, like, subscribe, all that stuff, man. Thank you.